This is our quilting interface screen. This is where the computer actually gets ready to start quilting your designs. So as you look at the screen, there are a few new options that haven't been here before. Of course, you have your help button. If you need some help, you can watch the videos. You can also click on settings here. You can change your stitches per inch, your tie-off stitches. You can leave the bobbin thread here or turn it off if you don't want. All right, you have some functions here you can work on. If you want your machine to move to the starting point rather than having to do it manually, you can push that button. If for whatever reason you need to release your carriage, maybe you need to change a bobbin or something, go ahead and release your carriage here, or release the sewing machine as well so that you can do your stitching. If you run out of thread in the middle of your design or something happens, your machine jams up and you need to fix it, we have our repair pattern. There is another video on that, so look for that one and how to use it. And of course your single stitch if you manage to lose your threads, which is really easy to do. You can pull your threads here as well. In this case, we are ready to go. I have both my bottom thread and my top thread, so I'm ready to hit sew. And then this is where the magic happens.